Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Sonos, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore it to factory settings. Step 1. Before resetting, back up any important settings or data if possible. Note your current configuration for reference. Step 2. Make sure your Sonos is powered on and fully charged or connected to a power source. Step 3. Locate the reset button on your device. This may be a small pinhole button or a combination of buttons to press. Step 4. Press and hold the reset button for the specified amount of time, usually between 5 and 15 seconds. Step 5. Wait for the device to restart. You may see lights flashing or hear confirmation sounds during the reset process. Step 6. Release the reset button when the device indicates the reset is complete. This may vary by device model. Step 7. Wait for your Sonos to fully reboot. This may take a minute or two as the device restores to factory settings. Step 8. Set up your device again from scratch following the initial setup instructions. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and reconfigure all settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.